having some fun.
Then step back. After it starts lighting.
It's not lighting.
It will. Put it right to the edge. To the outside there. It'll light.
It's not lighting.
And put it to the very end of it then.
Oh, watch it. Whoa. He ran.
He was over there quick.
He ran.
You light it this time, go over that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, bye. He runs so far. He runs all the way over there. Oh, that was cool.
Oh my god.
That was cool.
Yeah.
Did you just see how it just disappeared? See?
Oh, it fell over.
That's what happened last night. That's what happened last night.
Huh.
What?
There you go, bud. Just let it do its work.
It's not really doing anything.
Oh, there it goes. Whoa!
Whoa!
We're lighting up fireworks. Hold on, I'll try to find that lighter stick. We're lighting up fireworks, and all of a sudden we hear, like, you know, the I need to find a lighter stick. Is it out there? I don't know, but we hear, like, you know, sirens, and I'm like, coming for us. You know, funny, but no, I didn't. Something's happening.
I'm gonna back up just in case it doesn't.
There it goes. It's going. There it goes.
Going.
Oh yeah. That's what it's supposed to look like, bud. Not coming out our face.
Right.
Well, it's getting good. It's getting like more sparkly.
You gotta twirl it around. Not like that. There you go. Yeah, go like that. Is it starting to get towards the end?
No, not even close to the end. I think just the next part of it.
There you go. Oh, that's cool.
I know.
Oh, all done.